Thursday in the future.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll have a go. Oh, we're meant to be filming yours. Shit. Yeah. How's it going over here?
Not shed life, mate.
It should be. Like, look at this thing. It's way better than this green thing.
We're officially shed life.
We're in a shed. Jarvis's whip over here. But we have taped this bad boy up. It's getting rid of that hideous paint job. Sorry, Luke. But it's got to go, mate. It's going to be good. What colour are you going?
It's going to be Procheck. Let's just leave it at that. It's going to be Procheck.
It's going to be Procheck, righto.
Leave it at that.
Wait and see. How good's your editing skills? Can you be like ready and then poof?
No.
Alright, so we've got the car all taped up, prepped up, washed, ready to go. I've wet the floor, so hopefully we don't get any dust and get much paint on the floor. But I'll set the tripod up and we'll do a bit of a time lapse and I'll get some spray on. Alright, we've got a couple of coats of the primer down, primer filler. It's come up okay. A couple little spots we'll have to sort of touch up. I don't know what's going on here. The painters might be able to tell me what the hell that is. Don't know. But we'll do another coat. We'll rub it back, do another coat. But we'll see what it comes up like. Jarvis and Alex are here. Prepped? You're prepped, Alex? Ready to paint?
Ready to paint.
What do you think, Jarvis? Better than what it was. We've done Jarvis's front bar and we've done my front bar here as well. So we'll get it dried, rub it back again, and we'll throw some colour down. Alright, so we've got the final coat down now, the base coat. We're just going to start rubbing it back now and get a smooth finish. And we'll get some colour down, hopefully get some colour down tomorrow night after work. Who said this is a great idea to do before a Friday night drift, I don't know, but we'll get it down. It's coming up pretty good. I'll do a bit of a walk around now, but yeah, final coat's gone down. We'll get it rubbed back and we'll start some colour. You'll need to ignore the colour in here. The lighting's not so great, but the base colour's down. It's more of a bit of a sandy, taupey colour. I'll load up a photo from when it was parked outside so you can see. But we'll get this now. I've started rubbing the boot down, half the bonnet, half the roof, just to try and see how it felt. But it's come up pretty smooth. That should be pretty good. So we've done the final rub back. There's this little cord on the back here. We had some issues. I'll give you a bit of a zoom in here. We had some issues on this back quarter with it peeling back and bubbling back. It looks like whatever paint was on there before was reacting. So we've re-sprayed it all now. It's all dry. I still have to let it dry properly overnight. But you can see the difference in the panel. It's all nice and smooth now. It's all ready to go. I just have to clean it up, blow it all off, and give it a wax and grease remover, and we'll get some colour down. I've picked the colour, but maybe comment below what you think the colour is or what it should be. Should I keep it this sandy taupe colour? It actually looks pretty cool now it's rubbed back. The lighting here isn't so great, but it does actually look pretty cool now it's rubbed back. But yeah, leave a comment below, let us know what you should be, but I'll be back tomorrow night after work and we'll throw some colour down. Whose idea was this? Alright, so it's Thursday day, we're drifting tomorrow. Nathan down at Pelican Motors, Pelican Smash, has done us a solid. He's going to let us use the booth. I think he's going to flick some paint on for us, so saves me doing it and stuffing it up. So we're just madly rushing now. We're getting Josh was in the last little prep fog clean. We've rubbed everything down. We're going to drive down with the plastic on the window. I'll just plastic up the driver's door when we get down there, plastic up the wheels, and we'll get stuck into it. I'll see if I can sneak some video in. So walking over here, Nathan's coming over. What do you got for me, Nathan? How good is it?
It's so good.
It's so good. It's gonna be a booth paint job worth millions. What's the wiring gonna be like, Nate? Do I get concrete wiring? Not even? Not even. Alright, so she's all masked up, all plasticed up, and pretty sure we're ready to throw some colour down. What are we doing, boss?
Oh, just getting your paint ready to...
Mixing her up.
Yeah, mixing her up, getting ready to start on. Actually, it's kind of a cool colour, not gonna lie.
Cool colour.
Kind of reminds me of the Million Fire a little bit. Not totally on the dot, but close.
All I know is it's orange.
It's orange, that's what I was thinking. I'm like, it's definitely orange. It's not... I thought it was green.
There we go. First colour's down. We've got another colour to go on the roof. Give it a bit of a two-tone. No show car, but it's definitely ours now. The lights get us. But yeah, no, she's definitely orange. Definitely orange. Front bar. So looking forward to see it all together. Alright, so Nathan down at Pelican did the last final coat. He threw a little bit of a surprise in for me. He did something special on the roof for us, so I'll go through the car now. Bear in mind, this is not a show car, this is a drift car, so yes, it's in acrylic. No, it's not shiny, no, it's not straight, but it's going to be our car, it's our design, and now it's completely different to what it looked like before. It's going to be smashed. I'm sure I'm going to come off and break things. I'm sure I'm going to get crush things and break things and scratch things. That's all expected. So sit back and have a look at this. There you go guys, there we have it. This is Hell Rot Orange with a black roof with a gold pearl through it. Nathan did an awesome job smacking that out for us. Yes, it's just acrylic on the base here, but we're just going to see how we go, make sure we don't crash it and bash it and break anything. The bumper bar probably won't run tonight, just so we don't break that and have any problems. But yeah, make sure you stay tuned for next week's episode. We're going to be at QR tonight. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button and let us know what else we should change on it. Thanks guys. How much is this costing me?
What do you mean? Oh, yeah, no,
You working?
Yeah, 300 an hour.
300 an hour?
Yeah. I'm doing you a deal too because we're mates.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
We're officially shed life now, are we?
Yeah.
Jarvis is just doing his custom mods.
Some dumbass painted this thing green. Why would you do